Traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. In this video, we are going to look at being flexible in the market, guys. And by this, I mean you need to change your view of the market sometimes. If the charts are telling you to do so, then you must. Yeah, read the charts, not what you want. Okay, and let me show you an example, guys. So in my VIP Discord channel, I give you my trade ideas. And this was one of my trade ideas, this Euro Swiss franc sell. Okay, and as you can see, I got in at 96.13 and it hasn't hit target. Okay, and then as a follow-up to this trade, I've put this closed trade at 0.618 for an 85 pip loss. So I have cut this trade early. Yeah, because I don't like what's happening on the charts. Okay, so let's look at this and why I've changed my mind on this pair. Okay, so let's get rid of this now and let's focus on the chart. So this is Euro Swiss franc. Okay, and let me just show you the reason for the trade, guys. So, you know, yesterday, price was in a downtrend. Yeah, I put this on my trade analysis. We had this wick here that rejected this level. Price came back to this level, and I was looking to potentially short it back down to these last lows. That was the trade idea. And then we go to the H4. You know, once we got back to these highs up here, yeah, okay, you can see we had this bearish H4 candle here. All right. So yeah, this is pretty much what I entered on, guys. I got a bit of a retrace and entered at 9613 as I showed you in the VIP Discord. And my stop was up here. All right. But for me, the market is not doing what it should do. So I'm going to cut this trade early. And what do I mean by that? So once price comes back up to these last highs, yeah, I want to see a bearish reaction, and I want to see that reaction sustained. So if we look at this candle here, I'm going to go back in time. All right. So at this point, okay, yeah, this H4 candle is telling me, you know, everything is fine. The trade idea is still intact. You know, but I want to see some follow through. I want to see this come down, potentially down to here, if not further. Okay. But if we play this on, look what happens. Yeah. The next candle is telling me buyers are back in this market. Okay. Look at this H4 candle. And you also have to bear in mind, again, just all I'm doing is reading the charts, guys, to keep me out of trouble. And we're also in a H4 uptrend, you know, we are. So, you know, I am going against H4 trend as well. So at this point, as soon as I saw this H4 candle, I thought I'm just going to, you know, close this trade for a small loss. I took a 5 pip loss. Yeah. And, you know, I'm happy with what I've done. I've changed my view. The market is not following through with my idea. You know, I might see a huge bearish red candle like this and price comes tumbling down. Okay. And then but it won't bother me, guys. Yeah. I've traded what I'm seeing. Also, guys, what made me shut this trade is if we go back to the day chart. Yeah. Again, this is quite a bullish candle. Yeah. So the body of this candle, you know, is the majority of it is buyers. So buyers are in the market. So what's this telling me? I think price could potentially push up to this moving average 20. All right. And the top of this gray zone. And then we get another setup. Okay. And then I'll get back in this trade. No problem. All right. But right now, going back to the H4, I don't like this trade. We're in a H4 uptrend, and we just had this bullish H4 candle. Like I said, if it comes back up here, you know, to the top of this gray zone, and we start getting a reaction, yeah, I may look at this trade again. So, yeah, so be willing to change your mind, change your view of a trade. Yeah, you can't, the market doesn't care what you want. Yeah. I can't be like, right, I entered here and I want the market to come down to here, or wherever your target is. My target was here. Yeah, I want the market to come down to here. And then I get frustrated. I'm like, why isn't it coming down to there? You know, why did it not hit my target? Because the market has told you, yeah, buyers are back. Yeah, buyers are back with full force and you're in an uptrend. Yeah, it's time to get out. All right. So, you know, bear that in mind when you are in a trade, guys. You might want a risk to reward of 2:1, 3:1. Again, the market does not care what you want. So read the charts and trade accordingly. If that means getting out of a trade, you know, sooner than expected or just cutting it at a small loss, do it. It will save you a lot of hurt and pain in the long run. All right, guys. So I just thought I'd share that and explain why I got out of this trade to my VIP members, but I thought it'd also be an interesting YouTube vid as well. So, guys, if you've enjoyed this vid, I hope you have, then please subscribe to the channel right now. Also smash the notification button. And if everyone could please smash the like button as well. I'll see you next time, guys.